If you're trying to figure out how to use dashboards to monitor business health in under 3 minutes, this is the video for you. Dashboards can give you instant clarity on what's working, what's broken, and where your business is heading, but only if you set them up right. I've tested the most popular dashboard tools out there, and by the end of this video, I'll show you how to use one that you can try with an exclusive free trial, just for viewers of my channel. Links in the description if you want to follow along. Let's get straight into it. First, define what business health actually means for you. That could be cash flow, revenue growth, churn rate, profit margins, or even customer satisfaction. Don't fall into the trap of tracking everything. Focus on 4 to 6 key metrics that truly reflect the health of your business. The more focused your dashboard is, the more actionable it becomes. Next, structure your dashboard into sections. For example, one section for financials, one for marketing performance, one for operations. This lets you scan your dashboard quickly and know exactly where to look when something's off. Now, let's talk about data sources. You'll want your dashboard software to pull data automatically from the tools you already use: Google Analytics, Stripe, QuickBooks, CRMs, or spreadsheets. Manual entry defeats the purpose. The software we'll be using supports all the major integrations, so everything updates in real time. Then visualize smartly. Use line charts for trends over time, bar charts for comparisons, and gauges or KPIs for quick health checks. Avoid clutter. 1 metric per card. Make sure every chart answers a question like, is revenue growing? Are we overspending? Or how's customer retention? Also, use color coding for clarity. Green means healthy, red needs attention. It sounds basic, but it dramatically speeds up decision making. Add alerts if a number goes above or below a certain threshold. That way, your dashboard isn't just showing data, it's helping you act on it. And don't forget your team. A good dashboard should be visible to those who need it most: founders, managers, or department leads. You can set up different dashboards for different roles, each focused on what matters to them. No more wasting time digging through spreadsheets. One powerful thing about the software we're using is that it offers pre-built dashboard templates. So even if you're not sure where to start, you can pick a template for sales, finance, or marketing and customize from there. Super beginner friendly and saves hours of setup. Alright, key takeaway: dashboards aren't just about pretty charts. They're about seeing the health of your business at a glance and catching issues before they become problems. Quick recap. Define your key health metrics, group them logically, automate your data sources, use clean visualizations, set up alerts, and make sure your team has access to what they need. And remember, if you want to follow along or start building your own, I've secured an exclusive free trial of the software we're using. It's only available to viewers of this channel, and the link's waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching. Now go build a dashboard that actually helps your business grow.